Have you ever thought about growing your own cut flowers? Imagine the joy of a garden brimming with fresh blooms, saving on bouquet costs, and adding a splash of color to your space. Growing cut flowers is not as complex as it might sound. First, you need to decide on the types of flowers you want to grow. The right pick depends on your climate, soil type, and fondness. Roses, tulips, and sunflowers are quite popular. Keep in mind that different flowers may require different care, so choose wisely. Once you've chosen your flowers, it's time to prepare the soil and plant your seeds or bulbs. Start by turning over the earth to loosen it up. Add compost or organic matter to enrich the soil. Now make a hole deep enough for your seeds or bulbs. Follow the specific planting instructions for each flower type. Cover the seeds or bulbs with soil and water them gently. Remember, every flower is unique, so make sure you're following their individual needs. Proper planting is crucial to ensure your flowers grow healthily. After planting, you need to care for your flowers until they're ready to be harvested. Regular watering, balanced fertilizing, and diligent pest management are essential to keep your blooms vibrant and healthy. Knowing when to harvest is also key. Most flowers are ready when their buds are fully formed but not yet open. Use sharp, clean shears to cut the stem at an angle, ensuring the plant remains unharmed. With proper care, your flowers will thrive and be ready for cutting in no time. Growing your own cut flowers can be a rewarding experience. We've explored the journey, from the important task of selecting suitable flowers to the careful preparation and planting process. We also delved into the loving care and eventual harvesting of these beautiful blooms. It's a journey filled with joy, patience, and a touch of green. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join us again for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!